So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason you're getting this pop-up on Snapchat that's telling you that something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code either C14A or C14A. This is a very common issue, and usually why this ends up happening is because for some reason your particular internet connection, your network connection, can sometimes be a little faulty. So what you just want to make sure is that the Wi-Fi connection you're connected to or that data connection, whatever you're connected to, you may just want to make sure that that particular connection is completely working, has no issues within it. So what I'd recommend doing here is just double checking your Wi-Fi. You can try loading up some other websites and some other things like that and seeing if you can look up the support code and see if your internet connection is fine. If it's fine, then it's not an issue. But if it's still not fine, you can go and read this particular thing that Snapchat basically sent out, which just said, you get an error every time you log into Snapchat. Now, if it's one of these types of errors like the C14A, they mention right here that it's usually due because of your network connection. Now, if that doesn't end up being the problem, or if you're getting some sort of other issue, another problem that may end up happening is because your Snapchat application may be severely outdated. So what you can try doing here is you can just make your way back into your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and you just want to basically search up for Snapchat. So search up Snapchat just like so, and all you're going to want to do here is you want to update your Snapchat application. And for a lot of people, all you're really going to have to do here is update this app, and that's probably going to be another way you can fix this problem as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you may want to try updating. You can try updating your phone. You can try restarting your phone as well. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.